Listen to the rain on our new porch. Oh, yeah. You guys hear that?
Yes, we hear it. Hello, everyone. How are you doing today? My name is Kidneyjay. The J stands for jerk because my kidneys are a pair of jerks. And this is another Pink Fairy video. So this was called BLT Wraps / our new home / vlog. Spoiler alert, guys. Not much of a vlog. Not much of a new home tour or anything like that. And this is, by the way, new home as in the moldy trailer that they're in. So it's mostly her making BLT wraps and listening to the rain. So let's just get into it. I've chopped it up, of course, so it's more digestible. Let's go.
Good morning. Happy Sunday. Here I'm going to make us some lunch. Sitting out here on the porch. And it's raining. Them big old trees. I just love them. Just love it out here.
Okay. In our old home, we used to have a roof like this. Like a little, I guess it's like an awning. We got rid of that real quick because that rain sound is not soothing to me. Like the rain on falling just naturally on grass or even like cement and road, soothing. That, no.
The shed, it's full.
That shed is like full, like to the roof, full.
Me and my sister will go through it this fall, spring, whatever.
This fall, this spring. Okay, that's two definitely different seasons that's gonna happen. So what's today? August 17th. So this was filmed, I think, August 15th. We'll see. When that shed is cleared out. Because that's a lot of work. That's like filled to the top.
I ain't had no breakfast yet. I didn't feel like it. But it's a pouring rain.
Okay, so I had a question. Why is that drill out if it's pouring rain? Unless it's water resistant. Let me know, guys. Are there such things as water resistant power tools? Leave a comment down below. While you're there, subscribe if you're new and hit the like.
That's him out there.
Wait, was that poor Tim in the car? Just make a run for it, Tim.
Just
Run!
Hey guys!
Hey! Okay, so this is BLT making time. Can I just say, I haven't been covering Pink Fairy a long time. But every time I decide to do one of her videos, it's always raining. Like, we're in a drought here almost. I know a lot of the places in the United States, same thing. Is it pathetic fallacy? Is this like setting the mood for my YouTube journey with Pink Fairy here? I don't know. So many thoughts.
Well, you guys just showed it just poured rain. But guess what?
What?
It's not raining no more.
Huh?
But it's still pretty cloudy out there. Anyways, I'm making us a BLT wrap on some whole wheat tortillas.
She lost her train of thoughts there. Train of thought? Not thoughts?
These are not low carb ones though. I need to get some low carb wheat ones out. So anyways, I want to use these ones right now.
Ruh-roh, not low carb for her diabetes. I don't know. What I would probably do is maybe just have a lettuce wrap. A lot of those whole wheat, like breads, tortillas, you think you're getting extra, like, fiber maybe, or you're getting lower simple carbs. usually not the case. Definitely the case with the really like the whole grain, the multi-grain breads, but not like when you see like whole wheat. It's really not much of a difference from the white. Just saying.
I'm gonna get this tomato cut. So, in our new place, we have lack of counter space until we redo our kitchen, which I'm going to. We're going to. It'll be a little while before we redo it. So, I need to sharpen these knives too.
Oof, she's massacring that tomato.
You will see me.
R.I.P. tomato.
Preparing my meals. Okay. These are fresh.
Okay, so she's sitting down. Is this like the new thing? Is it going to be a whole Chantal ALR type of vibe? Sitting down, cooking. At least in her old place, she was standing. She's saying here because it's lack of counter space. I don't know what lack of counter space has to do with you having to sit down to prep your meals. Makes no sense.
Tomatoes out of my mom's garden I got yesterday. So yeah, I hope they taste good. The little one she had there was.
Okay, Pink Fairy, and he's alert. So let me know what she's saying here. We'll play it 3 times. The little ones, something.
The little one she had there was.
They was? They were was?
No, these are good ones. Anyways, I'm going to heat the tortilla up and put some lettuce and mayonnaise on here. Okay, got these all heated. As you see, they're heated. I can't believe those aren't real hard. I thought they were real hard. Anyways, got some mayonnaise.
That's why you gotta read the labels. You gotta read what you're buying.
Mayonnaise. Some of this, the real mayo is the squeeze kind. You guys, we've just been so busy.
So did her, hopefully her spreading spatula for her mayo got lost.
That's why I haven't got videos up. And of course, maybe do internet on here. All that kind of stuff. So it's kind of a little harder. So I had to take a couple days,
Mm-hmm.
So I guess this is a BLTC. C mean cheese. Some cheese, guys. A little bake on here.
Oof, that's a lot of bake.
And we'll do some tomato.
Not gonna lie, I love myself a good BLT. Can't remember the last one I had one. Last time I had one, maybe, I don't know, like a year ago.
I like that better. Yeah. Let's give this wrap a try.
Uh-huh.
They all said these wraps are good. I haven't eaten them.
Uh-huh.
I'll tell you.
Another theme I've noticed, every time I do a Pink Fairy video, she's always making a wrap of some variation. It's usually she usually puts deli meat on it. This time it's bacon. Pink Fairy, you gotta give me more to work with here besides rain and wraps. I could probably make a rap song, rain and wraps, maybe. Why?
Mayonnaise.
Why? Mayonnaise, that's why. She just... I guess her little wrap there was too dry, so she needed to moisten it a bit with the leftover knife mayo. Oh boy. You haven't seen this a million times. Anyways, guys, that's it for me. There's not much else going on in this video. We'll see where this new arc takes her in the moldy trailer. hopefully, we get to see more of it with all the furniture and everything else in it. Don't forget to give me a like. I appreciate all of you guys. Subscribe if you're new, like I said. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bye now, mumble mumble Pekingese.